Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add friends on Monopoly Go with user ID. So basically there are only a few ways you can add friends in Monopoly Go, and user ID is not actually one of them. So I will teach you the actual method on how you will add friends. So here, go to friends right here and then press your contacts or invite. So invite right here, you will just have to invite by pressing the invite link right here. So you can invite via Facebook, or you can copy a link that you can send to your friend. Even though they have the game, once they click, you will be able to have them added as a friend once you give them the link using this invite button right here. And just copy the link, send that through them, let them click the link, and then once they click that link, you'll be friends already in your Monopoly Go. So as you can see right here, they're gonna ask you to be your friend if you have done that via link, or you can also copy your friend code right here and then send it to them, and then you'll be able to let them add you as a friend, and that's it. So there you go guys, that is how you add friends on Monopoly Go with your user ID.